How to fix camera shutter. Log in on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. Scroll down and click on developer option. Scroll down and search media setting from here. You will see click on media DRM settings and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. You will see click on this first option about phone. After click on about phone, click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, go back to home screen. Your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera shutter. Log in on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.